Cleaning your toaster is easy and should be done regularly to keep it looking pristine, but also to reduce fire hazards and stop any unwanted pests feasting on crumbs. Firstly, make sure the toaster is cool and remove the cord from the power point. Take a pastry brush and gently clean inside the toaster, dislodging any crumbs, being sure not to touch the heating elements. Take the toaster to a bin or over the sink. Turn it upside down and give it a gentle shake to remove any crumbs from the inside. Slide out the crumb trays at the back of the toaster and wash them in warm soapy water. Lastly, clean the outside of the toaster. Take a damp cloth and just give the toaster a gentle rub over. Then, with a dry cloth, dry any watermarks and give it a bit of a buff to give it a lovely clean.